What up, chat? What's up? What's up? Sheesh, FOMC yesterday was a banger. We caught some very nice trades in the Zoom session. Morning glory. Morning glory from FOMC. Yes, sir. So today, obviously yesterday we had FOMC. We had this move up on gold. Your daily candle has closed bullish above resistance. And we've got that confirmation of our sentiment now. So the Fed came in more dovish, neutral, nothing really crazy. Interest rates came out as expected. So we're looking for just to continue the same sentiment. So you can see right now we are trading above these highs that we formed at 1948, just in a range here at the moment. Nothing too crazy going on for the dollar today. We do have unemployment claims this afternoon, and then tomorrow we have NFP, of course, in the afternoon as well. Then at 2 o'clock we have the England interest rate decision. So we'll be doing a Zoom call for this, obviously for members. But yeah, this morning is pretty quiet. So right now we've got pretty low volume. 4-hour candle just closed. So our daily candle has no bottom wick either. I could definitely see those pullbacks to 1948 for buys there, but right now this range, this kind of price action, you just want to stay out of. Moving sideways, no real volume right now. Tarek, are you joking, bro? That's actually pretty sick. Ah, you was getting some tips for FOMC there. Then GJ here. I know a lot of you are going to be looking at the daily candle here, looking so bearish. But keep in mind, the news later on today could easily change the whole look of this current daily candle. And we are higher time frame still looking for those bars after we've grabbed a lot of liquidity in this area to start off the year. And you know, we've discussed what went on earlier on with Bank of Japan, where we had this move down based purely on speculation, and then that move was corrected very quickly, and we actually traded this move up, caught some nice bars there. Once the news came out and Bank of Japan didn't make any changes to their monetary policy, keeping their monetary policy loose, keeping their rates in the negative, which is keeping the yen a little bit softer, whereas the Bank of England is actively raising their rates to combat inflation, and that's bringing strength to the pound against the yen. So that's just a higher time frame sentiment giving us some guidance, and today is going to just solidify that sentiment. If the Bank of England comes out hawkish, if numbers come out as expected, we'll be looking for the pound to pick up some strength here. And what I was looking at earlier in the week was above this resistance on the daily, we've just got beautiful clean traffic here to the left. And you would need a catalyst in order to fill this range right here. So what better catalyst than interest rates and monetary policy report? But for now, GJ is also in a bit of a range here. I'd like to see us breaking back above 159.650. You can see these previous lows here of this range. We've had a retest there. If we can break back above that area, I believe we'll be alright to take some buys here. Traffic to the left is not too bad. Safer buys might be above 160. Also very clean traffic moving up here. Otherwise, you do just want to be waiting for that news to come from the Bank of England. Based off current price action, like I say, the daily candle, just looking at this most recent price action, sells below 158.950 do make sense, but I'll probably avoid those sells. Tarek, I'm actually looking for it now, but I'll go check the Discord. I didn't see that you sent it. Hey. Should have given me a shout out. Gold tasted better than my dinner last night. Sure did. I've sent the Zoom link here, guys. What's up, Jared?
Hey, how are you, brother?
Good and you, man.
Just trying to find this stupid thing on my screen. It just kept coming up with the Zoom thing, not the actual meeting. It's fuck's sakes. Yeah. Yes, you're on Roger Banks's radar, eh?
Like I say, I think man was getting some tips for FOMC last night.
Yeah, it could be. I wonder if he caught those buys there.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Jeez, but we on the spreadsheet channel, we are 100 pips up for the week, for the month so far on the first day. It's insane, eh?
Yeah, that is crazy. Fuck, man. I feel like an idiot for not holding. But you know, that's one of the things, like, yesterday, we had an insane trade yesterday, and TP was 1950, and we ended up closing for that 100 pips, and it ran for another 130 pips or so. And you know, you can dwell on that, or you can move forward and actually just be grateful for your profits, and potentially take a lesson away from that. So that's what I did.
Morning.
Morning.
How you guys today?
Good in yourself?
Beauty.
Good. What's up?
It's Sleeping Beauty.
Bro, listen to how fucked my load shedding was. My load shedding was from 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock, from 11 o'clock till 2 o'clock, from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock.
No,
what the fuck, bro? 11 hours, I had 9 hours load shedding. What?
So, that's crazy.
Yeah, yesterday I also had load shedding 3 times. They're hitting us hard here, and yeah.
And then I see some fucking news notification that there might be load shedding for 24 hours one of these days coming, just for a 24-hour day, so they can catch up with some shit. No.
Do you know how bad that is? Because our internet will be down, our lines will crash, because obviously the internet providers and that, they have inverters to keep the lines up while there's like 3 hours of load shedding.
Yeah. Exactly.
But if it's off for 24 hours, the lines will go down. We're fucked. We're gonna sit here, no trading,
you see what happened to the water? You see what happened to the water pump? Some water pump or something happened to it because of load shedding, they're claiming. And now there's no water, like I think it's in Josie, in Johannesburg. There's like no water or something in one of the areas because of load shedding apparently. So yeah, bro, it's insane. I mean, no water for like 2-3 days, I think it was. I don't know if they have water now, but that's all I saw now.
Didn't I change that block gray, Con?
Fuck,
let me do it quickly.
I just put this on the live stream. Last year we added all new streams. I'm not gonna take that away this year.
They can't pump water from the dam to the reservoirs because there's no power. So because of that, Gonna just remember live chat, not top chat.
Yeah, thank you. I never remember that, and
that's how I always tell you.
I think sometimes I do miss some of your guys' messages.
On Zoom now, can you take us off stream as well when we're speaking?
Yeah.
Can you do it quickly, and then we just have a chat for 2 minutes quick?
Who's we?
Us three.
Me, you, Darren. I'll jump back in just now if you guys need to chat.
What's up, chat?
No comment.
Do you know how I'm wearing this shirt today?
Yeah. Is that your funk shirt?
Because he's gonna come play golf with me later. That's why he's wearing it.
That's how I feel when I wake up after FOMC.
Yeah.
What does that say? Boss.
Like a boss.
Okay. But that's a nice shirt for golf, eh, sir? So you've come in to play golf.
Ew. No,
Why are we
I got
streaming,
other golf
Connor?
shirts.
We had such a nice day yesterday, bro. Let's go play golf. End the stream. Let's go. I'm joking. I'm joking. Just not chat hates me.
Chat.
Can't believe I fell asleep.
Spam El Nico.
No, you shut the fuck up, you. Connor, so what happened, bro? Tell me the trade. I didn't watch back or anything. Did you guys enter 60 pips instantly?
Okay,
Boom.
so yeah, it was pretty much no drawdown. I think Justin got triggered in before I did. But when I got triggered in, there was like no drawdown. So let's say our bar stops were here on the break of these highs right here. And then no, I actually put in a bar stop here. So 9:30 opened up right here, and then we got that dip down, and then I was thinking to do market execution here, but I already had these bar stops set, so I didn't want to play around. I just left the bar stops in because I thought they were pretty safe. Stops were in a safe place here, about 50 pips, and then yeah, literally like no drawdown. And then it was about 110 pips secured there. It was just before that new 15-minute candle opened, and then I was like, nah, I don't know, I'm feeling sketchy with some of the stuff Jerome Powell said. But we continued to push up, so I took some stuff away from it. I think I should always have a runner with FOMC, because just time and time again we do get a push up into these highs.
You know what I found funny? I read last week I read about 1950 being tested, and then like it got tested that once when it created that new half for the first time recently. Then I read, and then 1950 might get tested, you know, etc., etc. Put in a paper trade on TradingView on my side. Just left it there to 1950 from where they said, and I put about I think it was about a 65 pip stop loss. So it's not a trade I would have taken, but yeah. Just put a 65 pip stop loss. It played out, went to 1950. It was like I think 140 pips. If that trade, obviously, I wouldn't have like if I let it go all the way. I didn't even take it, whatever paper trade. Then FOMC, I read the same person of that article saying again that 1950 will be tested again, and it literally happened again. So I give credit to that guy, because whoever that person was, their article has probably made them a shit ton of money, and the people that read it.
So chat, I said that I would do a funded challenge on stream. Obviously I had to take the FOMC bars on the challenge just to get a little kickstart there. So up 2% on phase 1 here, and then obviously I'll be showing you guys that on stream just to track the history and show you guys that it's possible.
I also want to see it. My shit's blurry. I'm trying to see it now as well. Let's see. What lot did you use?
3 lots.
Okay.
Not big at all.
Yeah, not big at all, no. But I mean, enough to do a very nice damage, especially once you are live at 3 lots is amazing. Yeah, someone, I think Reese asked you, did you pass your funding challenge earlier? But I mean, there's your answer, Reese.
Nah.
Yeah, we didn't risk it that much.
Now I'm looking to do it the right way. I wouldn't over risk on FOMC. As confident as I am in the trades we take with FOMC, since we've really, we've been doing well with FOMC, I never want to get overconfident, and losses are a thing, so not gonna get stupid with it. I trust in my abilities, and I trust in the process. I know that at the end of the month I would have passed phase 1 if I just do the right things. There's no need to rush.
Yeah, I'm just doing the trade breakdown quickly. Yeah?
Oh, thanks, Jared.
Yes.
What is that?
Just the way you said thank you to him, I was like,
No, you know what? I actually forgot to do the breakdown for that trade. The review.
This one's my baby. I'm gonna take full credit for it. Nah, bravely. Do you have a drawdown first at Firmac or sniper entry?
No, not a sniper entry, but no drawdown either. Just waited for the momentum to come in and hopped on the wave. Rode it up 400 pips, called it a day. I mean, if we got in down here, you could have said that was a sniper entry, but our entries were around 1926,500 right there. Stops 1921, and yeah, we got out at about 1937 or so.
how many FOMCs have you smashed now? Each fucking one, eh? There hasn't been one you haven't smashed.
Yeah, everyone. Every single one. It's just the last FOMC we did take a loss first, but I mean we recovered the loss, walked away with.
Yeah, but I mean overall, not talking about.
Yeah, overall.
We've come out on top each time, even if you took. Oh fuck! Even if you took all the loss.
If you just count the actual day, it's 100% win rate for FOMC.
I wonder how many pups from FOMC alone.
Oh.
You're is right. FOMC streams alone will fucking pay your membership for the last 5 years, my friend. Probably, if you take on every FOMC you've had.
FOMC streams alone have basically paid for all my expenses.
Everything.
For the last 2 years and the next 2 years.
Oh, you're so naughty, Connor. You're...
So, Con, what's the deal with
Read Wayne, next FOMC, if it sets up same, I'm risking 4.9%.
Fucking hell.
Just balls through the wall, my friend.
Hey, Reese, what did you say?
What's up, Reese?
what's up?
Oh, sorry.
Good, brother.
No, I was saying, so Con, what's the deal when you pass this 100K challenge, that is 10% or what?
It's quite soft, Reese. If I pass 100K...
That's like mizzle.
If you pass 100K, everyone gets 10% of profits, or what's the deal?
Everyone? What do you mean, bro? I'm gonna have no money left.
Split.
All your members, 10% each.
Jeez.
Yes. Reese, are you speaking through your phone?
No, I'm speaking through AirPods.
Wait, that's why it's so muzzled.
Hold on, let me just get this not for me.
Now,
Your phone
Reese,
speaker will be better to speak through, I'm just saying.
Reese, we're going to make sure you get your own 100K and you can just take your own 100% of
And
your
then
profits for it.
then he can give us 20%, Connor. What do you mean, man? To take your profits, we can take his profits. Jeez,
Actually, yeah, that's fair. I think that's fair. That makes more sense.
Only the day ones get the profit splits here.
Yes, I agree with Jared. Jared, shut the fuck up. I'm more day one than you. Yes,
Hey, sir.
Listen to these oaks.
No, I'm getting it. What do you mean? Connor, you're not involved in this. We're taking it regardless of what you say. Okay, haven't you noticed?
Yes.
I'm the grandfather of monster money trading. Okay.
Okay, crap. I'm the support system. Okay.
Jared, you the baby. You're the baby, bro.
Guys, I educated the lot now, Jake.
Yeah, actually,
Yes.
Jared was like,
Jared was the first one to trade before all of us. bro.
yeah, Jared was actually the grandfather of trading for us.
You see, I'm the Uncle Ted.
I was just saying you're a baby because you're short. That is actually a short
Oh.
joke.
Gee, that's better.
Oh, sorry, Connor. When it comes from me, we're not sure sometimes. You know what I mean?
Hey, bro, I'm actually average height.
I'm teasing. Don't pause. Don't go quiet for such a long pause after I say shit. Yes, you make me think you're offended.
Oh, I'm chilling.
You better
Nah,
not be
I'm
offended.
not chilling, man.
One thing Jared doesn't short is his trade, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Said one thing Jared doesn't short is his trade, so that's okay.
Oh,
Hey.
that's it. That can be your slogan on your shirt, bro. It might be short, but I don't go short on my trip. No, you can't say don't go short.
Yeah. Because I'm a shorter.
No, you can't say God. You might be a short, like, but you don't go short on trades. You can't say that because then you don't sell trades, bro. Why aren't you selling anything?
Oh, short king.
Wow. Sir.
Okay. Chat, we're just waiting here. Nothing really happening right now. So I'm going to go make some coffee, come back, play some chess.
Jared is a doji candle.
Oh no, that's just disrespectful.
Said that.
Jared's
You're getting
slogan,
mad.
Jared's slogan can be 3 feet down but 200 pips up.
Yeah, there we go.
Yo.
3 feet down. Jared,
Okay,
just
I'm
work
coming
out
back
the
now,
math.
boys.
That might be equivalent to 200 pips.
Imagine being called a Reggie Candle X.
Wait,
Wow.
Wayne, we need to know, is he a 5 minutes, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour? What doji candle is he?
Dude, I'm a second.
What
30
the fuck?
seconds.
Oh, a second. I was like, what is this? Do you get a second time frame that shows that you every like move?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
1
do.
minute.
But you have
Jared?
to buy special software. for
Jared,
it.
I'll make it better. He says you're 1 minute, 1 minute doji candle. I'll at least say you are a 1 minute doji candle in a volatile market. Okay.
I'm not even a 1 minute candle. I'm a 60 second. Makes it sound more.
Better, yes. Makes it better.
Yeah, exactly.
Justin, do you hear Uncle or you just listening? If you want to talk in the chat.
Hi, sir.
How are you today, Uncle?
I'm doing good on yourself.
I'm good. How was FOMC? Yeah, you got
Was-
involved today with the chat.
Of course, the boys pulled through. The membership
nice.
is paid off after an hour, No complaints.
So you join and then your membership gets paid about 20 minutes
Yes,
after you
sir.
join.
Yes, sir. Quite straightforward.
You say you join at the perfect time.
Mm.
Can you
And
show me?
We have not paid
Yeah.
Justin to say any of this.
We have not paid Justin to say. Oh, no.
Justin, did you leave a runner or did you close full?
I closed full that time when I spoke to you guys.
Well done, bro.
What about you? Did you guys close full or leave something?
No, I closed out at 100.
I was
I
in La La
closed-
Land.
I closed my eyes full, so I missed
Yeah,
it.
me too, bro. I was in Reese's eyes were fucking fully closed, my friend. I woke up at 10 o'clock, bro, 30 minutes after, and I was like, fuck, I laughed. I was so irritated. But I slept from like 6, so, But, I normally have friends that would call me awake, especially before like a FOMC news, just to make sure, Nico, you okay? You alive? What's going on?
We
no.
were still joking that you were on the golf
Yes, you were
course.
there. Yes.
What?
We were
You're
still
joking?
saying that probably Nick was playing night golf. So we're like, I think we joined back into it, bro. Oh, she was so funny, bro.
Me, I'm
Sure.
fucking playing golf in my sleep, yes, bro. Yes.
Yes. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm gonna go play some golf today with that chap from that I told you I met that does the like submarine piloting and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go play some golf with him today. Now in the afternoon.
Jared's just waiting for his fridge.
That's a sensitive topic, sir.
Reese
that
just
guy
hit
even
you,
said
no
anything,
blows.
yeah.
Uppercut, sorry, the whole time. Yo. Yeah, so Reese has it out for Jared, eh? Fuck.
Nah, I like fucking a Jared because I know he can take it.
Yeah, she can't.
Reese,
Jared cries in the afternoons when it's listening.
what do you think, man? Running 10Ks, bro. He needs to get some fucking quiet in his head. Yes.
That's true. Yeah.
Silence. But Reese, I was gonna ask, bro, what are you doing now? You're unfunded as well, busy with challenges. Or...
No. No, so last year I started a live account and then I blew it.
Okay.
And then sensitive whole topic, whatever, I went to rehab and shit. So I wasn't trading for quite a while. And then,
Okay.
now I've been back on the demo, just getting back into the swing of things. But next week, Monday, I'm starting my live account again.
Live or funded?
Live.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Hey,
Yeah.
bro, it might be a sensitive topic, but at least you're on the proper fucking path now. And I mean, I strongly believe you're out now. So,
For sure, especially with your guys' guidance, of course. I mean, I wouldn't be this far or this confident without, you guys helping out.
But Reese, boy, if you need absolutely anything, we have here, even if it's not trading related, dude.
I appreciate that, gents.
Yeah, you're just
That's
gonna have
just
to
drop a
really
DM for
fucking
the boys, dude.
apologize to me.
Send Jared a message. Yo, Jared, bro, I need to talk. Jared, fuck off. No, but honestly, Reese, bro, anyone, I'm 100% any one of the boys would more than welcome a DM if you need it. So
I appreciate that, gents. It means a lot.
okay.
For real.
So Jared, what are we waiting for to kind of say just for some gold and stuff like that?
Connor's waiting for the kettle to boil.
But are
If I'm
we
not
waiting for
mistaken.
gold? Still bullish, right? After FOMC, obviously.
Yeah, so what we're waiting for is either a tap back into, let me just bring my charts that I'm looking here on Discord.
Yeah, just a pullback, looking for
Yeah,
support.
so a possible pullback waiting for support to form, or we could be taking sols below like 1948.1 if we break below there, retest it, and then continue on driving down. Or just simply break above 1955.8.
No way. Yo, gents, bro, chat, don't you think Connor needs like some tattoo on him? I don't think Connor needs a tattoo somewhere on him, bro. Look how fucking naked his arms look.
Killer. Yeah.
Huh? Jared, don't you agree, bro?
Pomp
I think we
killer.
should get him a funk killer tattoo. What do you think?
I think, Connor, you shouldn't get a tattoo about trading or anything up until you hit like a really nice milestone with YouTube or membership or something. Like, let's say you get 1,000 members. That's insane. So then get like something about that. You hit like 100K subs, then no, those arms are too naked, bro. Don't be flexing on the fucking camera. You need tattoos.
Okay, chat. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll get a.
That's so unfair. There's only 73 people. That's not fair,
Well,
bro.
tell your aunties and uncles to join and hit the like button.
It's okay, wait. Let me just send a fucking message to the family.
Maybe. I think, yeah, maybe like what you said, if I hit a milestone. Yes, there we go. Eric, sorry, I'm really sorry. I didn't catch your full name there, but thank you for the sub.
USD, please. Oh, XAUUSD. I was like, what the fuck is USD?
I was also confused. DJ, no. Don't tell them to like it. I don't want tattoos.
Are you never gonna get tattoos, God?
I don't know, bro. Maybe one day.
You just don't know what you want, or
just like something small, you know? Maybe on my leg. I don't know.
Yeah, I think something like on the leg where like when you can hide it and stuff. That's something nice to get for your first tattoo, right?
Do you have any tattoos? Are you tattooed, sir?
My man is a Maori. Have you seen him?
Yeah, no, I'm raving.
Camel on the toe. That's pretty smart. Oh god. Carl,
Yeah.
what's
I'm
up?
keen to get ink done, bro, for my first time. I think I'm gonna go for something small though. I don't want to get something big on me.
Get a face tattoo. Okay.
I think I'll maybe get a face tattoo, but maybe just like on the side, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe a neck tattoo.
Triple F or something like that.
Like on the
Bro,
side.
have you
triple
checked
F
those
on the
oaks
side.
that tattoo their eyeballs, bro?
Oh no, dude. Dude, I
Oh,
realize that people have
that
gone
way.
blind from that.
That's
Most
ridiculous.
then
people
all
are
that-
after
All that
getting
body
it.
modification and putting horns in
No,
and
sif.
No, but that's fucked, dude. Like you have to, like that has to be your character completely.
bro, that's horrible, bro.
Someone's asking about gold. So gold,
Yeah,
yeah, here's our breakdowns on gold. We've broken above these highs to the left at 1948. I would like to see a retest of that level before moving up here. Otherwise, just breaks above 1955 with volume, looking to get a continuation here. I've drawn this arrow in just to show that we could adapt to sells if we break below 1948 and potentially get a nice retest. You know, I'm not going to just take buys on a closure below this level. Since we are so bullish, we could get a fake out of that level, continue up. But if we get a break below, get a nice retest, resistance formed on that area, we could look to potentially fill some of this range and correct a little bit of yesterday's move. I mean, this was a massive impulsive move up, and to be honest, if you're looking at the fundamentals, yesterday's speech wasn't like overly dovish or anything. It was more neutral than anything. So it's not like we have extreme buying pressure here. We do have that overall bullish sentiment, but I think, you know, we could still get like a deeper pullback before driving on higher. So adapting to sells back below 1948, I don't think it's a bad idea. But obviously we just need price to confirm that. Right now it is just moving sideways. So there's no way you could possibly say whether we're going up or down in this session just yet.
Will you ever listen here quickly?
Yeah.
Waited for the retest into support, and once price came back and broke above a resistance on the 1 minute, we took a buy stop. Fonk volume pushed our trade well on the way to take profit with positive sentiment from Jerome Powell. While Jerome Powell was speaking, we decided to close full at 100 pips, and price also came into an area of resistance and price looked to retrace, so we decided to close. No, wait, no, I reworded that. Where did that cut? Give me a second, sorry. Dude, I must read things before I read them to you. Apologies.
Just maybe note that it was actually negative sentiment for the dollar, but positive for gold.
Yeah, but he did have like a very positive outlook initially when he started his speech. Then he gave something good before, obviously just breaking the bad news.
Yeah, that's fine.
James, you know Gareth Bale?
Yeah.
You know that X making his debut on the PGA Tour after retiring.
What did he retire from?
Football.
Oh wait, what?
American football.
Nah, English football.
Soccer.
Soccer, yeah. He retired from there, and now he's playing on the PGA Tour, bro. That's mental.
That is crazy, eh? That's levels, because PGA is obviously no joke.
Nah, not at all. I think he plays for +2.
That's just,
Sure.
I mean, but that just shows that talent is there in his he's born with talent basically, because obviously he's just progressing what he has in different areas.
Yeah, a lot of guys just have that like knack for sport in general. Like whatever sport you put them in, they just have it.
Obviously, they're obviously not pro level when you put them in, but the work they put in with the talent they have already, it just excels them insanely. Like watch, he's +2 now. Watch him be +5 by like in a year or whatever the case may be. Like he's probably just gonna improve the whole time. But that's mental. Soccer to golf, bro. Hey.
Yeah, that's why I was getting so bad at football, because it was always on the golf course.
Kicking golf balls around, boss. Yes.
I know, but I miss playing golf. Yes. Yeah.
What were you playing as? Were you also a beginner, or have you played for a long time?
No, I got my full SA colors. I was playing off a scratch.
What?
No, you don't come speak to us, please. Yo.
Bro, how come every person who joins the stream is fucking good at golf?
Honestly, bro. Honestly.
Golf is the GOAT sport, bro.
No, he sucks.
Yo, Connor, maybe we were the ones slacking, bro.
Yeah, we the ones slacking.
Honestly, dog. Fucking hell, at the age of
Nah,
26.
I even left. I went to JP Boys and I even left. I went to homeschooling because I wanted more time to play golf. Because we only went to school from like 8 till 12 and we were off on a Friday. So every day I'd go to the golf course from like 1 till 5. Every day.
What school are you in?
This man was born to be a trader.
Please. What school is that?
JP.
What? JP Boys?
The home school.
No, it was a small home school here in my area called Brilliant Minds. Tiny, there were only like 30 students.
But it sounds like Mega Minds, really. They're in Olivedale.
I've heard of Mega Minds.
Yeah, I was there for 3 terms.
I'm sure they have. Don't they have different brand? I'm sure they have more than one.
I was there at the first job. I was there for 3 terms.
And then you didn't like it, or what?
No, it was good, but I had to move towns, so obviously I had to leave. Yeah.
And then did you carry on in homeschooling, or did you go back?
No, I went back to normal school. Dude, it was weird going back to normal school.
I can imagine.
Sure.
Yeah, no, it's not the best, but I mean, for me to go and play sports and that, it was the best at the time, you know. But you guys only started recently. Watch, if you carry on playing as much as you do now, and then every now and then when you have some extra cash, just go for lessons, you know. Get some coaching, trust. You'll become good in no time.
I mean, we've seen improvements already in our game. Nico, especially, because man's been dedicated, and I can see the improvements. Like the consistency.
Yeah, bro. It becomes almost in a sense like muscle memory, you know. As soon as you catch that swing and you practice, it's like riding a bicycle, bro.
But that's the thing. You need to like start focusing on everything. Like the left leg that needs to like at certain points needs to take weight and not take weight, and like you learn all these things slowly. Then after you know, okay, I need to do this, you need to like make it a muscle memory so that you're doing it while thinking of other things, because you literally can't think of everything together. So once you've improved one thing, you need to go to the next thing, then the next thing, and then everything's muscle memory, and then consistency starts happening over and over. So, yeah, the thing that I learned now, Reese, the thing that I never used to do is the wrist bend when you're coming up for your swing. I never used to bend my wrist. I was never getting through and never getting contact nice and flush with the ball. I was already coming up as I contact the ball was coming up, so I was slicing it. So I wasn't getting a nice clean line through with contacting the ball. Now, because of the wristband, I come through with the ball and I actually get that height and accuracy with the ball.
You get a bigger arc in your swing for sure.
Yeah, so now that's what I started doing now, only like this week. So slow improving. That's it.
Yeah, but also that small shift changes your whole swing, and it takes you time to get used to that, you know.
Yes, because I'm still hitting, like I hit the floor sometimes, because I mean it is throwing me a bit off when I come up with my wrist, and it puts me in a different like angle. And then because I mean sometimes I'm moving my shoulder out and stuff, I'm not keeping my head still. So yeah, but honestly, Connor, one thing I think we're gonna have a problem with, bro, is the way you have to keep your head still and turn your two shoulders. Connor, I think me and you're too stiff to do that, because I struggle, bro.
Yeah, I realize I'm quite stiff for that. Like
so hard.
That flexion, dude, I struggle to get that.
If you look at Rory, bro. Bro, the way that oak can turn his back flexibility, so like his head keeps still, chin down, whatever, and then his left shoulder comes to underneath his chin, and his right shoulder is behind his head, dude. And then he mows the ball after that. And
That oak has the most gorgeous swing in golf, bro.
honestly,
Yeah.
Yeah,
dude.
it's crazy.
Nah, dude. John Daly, dude.
Have you seen
That guy's a gangster, bro.
bro, that oak was smoking a guai, one hand chips the ball, bro, to the fucking green, bro. In the PGA. Imagine, dude.
Ridiculous.
No, man.
He said,
Yeah.
I saw that quote from
Yeah.
him, something like, cigarettes plus caffeine
No.
equals
No,
protein.
nicotine and caffeine equals protein.
Yeah, that is it.
Dude, also, when you got in trouble for hitting golf balls over the highway, and then somebody said, you could have killed somebody, and he said, listen, I'm not a fucking amateur, I know how to hit a golf ball.
No, bro, that oak's something else, dude. But like Tiger Woods said, John Daly is him and someone else are the only oaks to claim their swing as their own swing. Like they don't do it the same as other oaks. So, I mean, yeah. But shit, dude, that thing I sent you, Connor, John Daly met some millionaire or whatever, what they wanted to play golf with him,
Yeah.
and then they had a bet. They made a bet that whoever wins $200,000 is the bet, okay? And then John Daly says up until today he's won 4.7 million from the guy. So
Oh yeah, there was that one millionaire
you
who
that
just
reel.
wanted to play with him all the time.
yeah, and then up until now 4.7 mil, bro. That's
Crazy.
insane. I mean, it's just over 20 games, but yeah.
You see, I think who's it? Michael Jordan, I think it is.
Yeah.
I sent you a reel yesterday. He plays
Okay.
for like 100,000 a game.
Yeah. But, you must know it gets way more than that, dude.
So
He
it's
played
like,
for $1 million before.
what's the point of playing golf if it's not for money?
You must see how hectic it gets, bro. Like I've heard the
100K,
stories of Michael
200K.
Jordan. They say if your ball's lying in his line and he's like putting and your ball's in his line, he tells you to take your ball and get out the way because he's and then he's like, then you like, but yeah, Michael, I'm putting it as well for like 200, and then he's like, I'm putting for $100,000, and then you're like, okay. And then you move your shit, you know. But have you seen his golf course, bro? His golf course even has motorbikes on as your bag. Like
Yeah,
your
I
bag
saw
goes in
something
this-
about that.
Yeah, he's got a whole course, bro, and it's fucking insane. Half-hour house, fully stocked with food and stuff for everyone to chow. Nice course, dude. Yo, maintain the proper. But that's why he's so good, dude. So, oh but shit! Imagine $100,000 is the bet you start playing golf for. Yes.
But also, dude, he's so good because he doesn't have to fucking wait behind an 8-ball that's playing that can't find 7 of their balls every time they hit, bro. So we'd also have a lot more.
No, but to be fair,
time.
Jared, we don't get stuck behind people, yeah, Connor. Every time we've gone, we've never been stuck behind anyone waiting.
Yo, dude, here it's in Pretoria. Like the traffic on the roads is the traffic.
You know,
on
it
the
makes me
golf courses.
nervous if I know there's people behind me watching me tee off, bro. I won't be able to tee off comfortably yet.
It makes me
But I
better.
don't-
I feel
If
better.
there's oaks in front of you, that's where you just shot 4, bro. You hit your ball and all your oaks shot 4.
Dude, that happened to me. That somebody hit their ball, bro, and it bounced like 3 meters in front of me, dude. I was like, you.
That
I
happened
was
to
like,
us, bro.
"Thanks."
2 times, like three games ago that I played. My mate, we were finishing off on the 9th hole, so that we were finishing off, and there were guys that teed off after us, okay? And it's a par 5, so it makes sense to tee off while we on the court on the hole, so it was chilled. They teed off, whatever. They landed wherever they landed. We were on the green, busy thinking. We just, bro, like when I say we just finished up, put the flag back in, and I was walking to the cart, and the ball landed next to my mate Dylan. I looked back at him and I said, "Dol, you wanna go?" And then he said, "Nah, last we finished, let's just leave." I would have fucking smashed people. I promise you. How can you hit that ball while I'm still there? I'm walking to the car to drive off, bro. I literally just put the flag back in, and the ball lands next to me. Yes, I wanted to hit the ball back at him, and then I just left it, bro. And I left.
Where do
This
you
is-
play at West Bank?
West Bank, and we played East London. Me and Connor played East London only once, though. And then West Bank I've played a few times because I live right by it. Well, not right by it. I live by the airport, but like it's close. So
Guys, look at our amazing trader on stream. He's got his order blocks in. He's waiting to milk the markets. He's got his I don't know what the cock is. Clearly that's
fix your
a
banana shape back, Connor. Yes, see.
He's got an order block. He needs to sweep the retail stops.
Okay, Jet, ba 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 ba.
No, Connor. Here's something. Yeah, did you fix your banana shape back?
Yeah, I did. Thanks.
Did you need some Bollinger
Yeah,
Bands
see.
there? Eh?
Shit. Fuck. I wonder I hit stop
German.
loss. Didn't have the Bollinger Bands in.
Yeah.
If they were there, price would have bounced off right off of them.
Sure. Now that's some good ass work. Eh? Yeah. Now you're regretting it. You have to go.
Oh shit.
You're kind of look at you doing this on the quiz talking. I'm like, what the fuck? He's kind of lost it.
Looking more like wannabe professional traders with all that. Bro, I'm trying, you know. I really want to be successful, so I just put more and more shit on my chart.
Yeah.
So I can
that
confuse
Are we gonna
myself
let them in
more.
on the real secret, Connor? Are we gonna let them in on the real secret, bro?
What?
So, gents, chat, listen. If you make your candles the same color, you're never losing, bro.
Never close a loss, just lose accounts. Hey, 100% win rate.
Yeah, if you blow your
Bro,
account, you
you just
technically
missing
didn't
the
lose the
Fibonacci.
trade. You just lost your account.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you lose
Exactly.
your account, you technically didn't lose the trade. That's
And
a nice
then,
one.
if you borrow the money from family, it's not even your account. Hey? I think I've had trading,
No,
guys.
James, wait, we're going
Hey?
too far with it. We're going too
Big
far.
brain.
Okay. It gets worse every time we talk about this shit.
Ah,
Connor,
There's
you know
some
what
New
happened
York
to-
in the chat now asking his granny for money now, dude.
Granny didn't
I know
give
we
you the
also
pain.
want some.
Connor,
mhm.
when last have we done together?
It's probably been like. Have you even trained this year together?
Nope. You swag, eh? I'm just saying, because I probably asked you about 5-6 times to go gym at least this year. You know, you see now, Connor.
Bro, you must come train in Beacon Bay, dude. You know I've been
Swag.
busy with the memberships. I
I'm
go
joking.
when I can. So you must come.
Calm down. I'm joking.
No
We'll go
man,
to
no,
Edge.
I want to train with you though.
Or not gym at Edge. We can do when you're too busy, but we want to gym together. I'll come to Beacon Bay for Edge, okay? For
Okay.
not gym.
Yeah,
And
let's
if you're
do
not
that.
too busy and you can do not gym, come to Virgin by the beachfront.
Can you train this
Yeah.
afternoon? Like after...
I'm playing golf, dude.
Oh
I'm
my
playing golf.
word, you see there's always an excuse.
I'm gonna fucking knock you out. Don't you start to cuck with me. I'm coming excuses.
A
shit.
two-way
You don't
street.
fucking- Connor,
Who are you playing
my
golf
first
with?
time. Okay, what time are we gymming? What time are we fucking gymming? Watch me show up, and I'm gonna knock you with a golf stick that I have in there.
Are you playing golf with
Why do you
Keegan?
want- No, Keegan, they're full of shit. Too many plans. He's up and down. So
It's his mom's birthday
I'm
today.
going- Yeah, but we're gonna go tomorrow. But there might be rain tomorrow, so like he can't go today. So like it is what it is now. So I'm gonna go today, and then maybe play with Keegan Sunday or Tuesday.
My brother-in-law.
Yeah, your brother-in-law. And then today I'm playing with the guy with the submarine piloting thing. Yeah, I'm gonna jam with him today.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, but he's also the same level because he told me he shot like 107 at East London when he played there. So it's like, he's like on the same level as me. And then at West Bank, sorry, he played 107 Sunday last week. So I mean that I played 104. So I mean it's more or less the same level. So
Dude, I was so gutted when we played at East London, and then like my score, I was pretty impressed with my score, and then
Yeah.
you realize that I
Yeah.
hadn't added one of the holes. Fuck.
one of the holes in there, that was quite cut.
And that hole was like 7.
I'm sorry about that, but at least you still beat me. But we won't say wow. We won't say wow.
No.
So I would kick you guys in a game of golf. It should
How much do
be-
you play? Do you play under
What?
100, Jared?
Yeah, I could play under 100.
No, listen to your
Could
wording.
play. On a good day or what?
That means you didn't fucking play. That means you didn't play under 100. Don't come back here, okay?
I have played under 100. Okay.
99.
Somewhere around there, sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's
Once.
golf.
But honestly, what do you play?
Golf is for fun. You know, we don't need
No,
to
but
take it
honestly,
so
what do you play,
serious. I really don't know, bro. I need to. Next time I
Really?
play, I'll keep track of my score.
Yeah,
Okay,
golf is
why
for
was
fun, dude. I
What's
can't.
the best?
Yo,
What's your best scores?
No,
So
bro,
far,
listen,
since you
please.
just started.
No, man, please. Come
It's
on, bro.
19 on an 18 hole. I missed the one drive.
Best was 104, please.
That's not bad. And you started when?
5 months ago.
Bro, that's not bad at all. Bro.
I'm
I'll play
ashamed.
under 100 now. I'll play under 100 though. Trust.
I'm ashamed to say, man.
What is your best, Connor?
It was at East London. That's the only 18 hole I've ever played.
Oh, yeah,
Bro, it's such a long day.
One,
But
it
was what,
That's not too
114?
bad, though.
114?
113.
113.
For the first time you played, bro. That's also
No,
that's
he's
quality.
supposed to be playing 18. He just plays
Yeah.
1 because Connor doesn't play 18. He says it's too long.
Bro, the last 9 holes, I was so tired. All I wanted to do was eat.
Every time I
And then we went
speak
to the
Connor,
halfway house and they were closed.
Because he's always told me, no, 9 holes. So I'm like, okay, cool. Get to hole 9. Okay, yeah, we're playing the next 9. Where's the next hole? Yo.
Every time I call Connor, I'm like, hey, Connor, you busy? He's like, just wait, bro, I'm just eating. I'll call you back now.
No, bro. Man's on this fucking strict program, dude. That's why he's looking so good.
I eat like 6 times a day on this program.
Are you buying the ready-made meals or do you cook everything?
Nah, I cook everything.
You must get these ready-made meals, bro. They're so much easier.
Yeah, there's actually... we did find someone who will cook for us.
Yeah, I was gonna say close dad.
But it's actually so quick, dude. Like, it's really not
Yeah.
bad. My rice,
That's
I
right.
prep like once or twice a week. And then chicken also once or twice a week. Mince once or twice a week. And then everything else, like, I can just chuck into the air fryer or put in the microwave.
Yeah.
There's a thing
Milk
called
would be
like
so
fit
good.
meals, and then they work out what you need and stuff, and then they make meals around your macros.
One of our mates' dads is like a chef, dude. And now he does like meal preps. And then if you also give him what you want, then he will make it to those stats.
Oh, I get you.
So if you have your own like shit worked out, then you can literally just give it to him and tell him what you want to eat, or you can just tell him you want this in food, and then he'll make it like that.
Jared, what's the name of that place you just mentioned?
It's cool. I'll send you a post on Instagram.
Okay.
Called Fit
Wayne
Meals
says,
or
look at
something.
Fit Chef meals. Doesn't know if they're available in our area. But
Yeah,
Fit
nah,
Chef.
there's nothing like that in our area. I actually want to... I've always wanted to open up something like that in our area. Because,
Yeah, I sent you.
It's such a
I sent you the
mission.
thing.
I've always seen, like, I think it started in America where they... What are they... I don't know, like, you watch these bodybuilders on YouTube and they get these ready-made meals. It's so convenient.
Yeah. And they get like a box, dude. Like a
Yeah,
whole
that's
box.
what I sent. I'll
Mm.
send it to you as well, Nico.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Hey, Con. Open the place, bro. I have a chef for you.
Easy.
Dead ass, eh?
The only thing is, it's very expensive.
Yeah, obviously, to get the food and everything is expensive. And it's time
Yeah.
consuming.
Yeah.
Obviously, I wouldn't be cooking, so... I just don't know. But I mean, it's very easy to market because it's like you know exactly who your target market is. You go to all the
fuck.
you go to all the gyms in the town,
Literally.
put up a big poster, sorted.
And if I can have a card, bro, hand out your card to every
Mm.
person in the gym every time we go. If you've
Sure.
seen, if you've given it to this person, oh sorry, next person, fucking eventually the whole gym, every single time we go, 1 week later, you've target the whole fucking gym's been targeted. Done.
Mm.
Have
They
flyers put it on their cars outside in the parking lot if you want to.
Have
But
someone have someone outside the gym handing out flyers.
get one of the guys there, give him $50 to hand out flyers to the Oaks coming out of gym for about 3 hours. That's it, done.
but I'm checking here for 14 meals. you're paying 1,360. So that works out to like just shy of 100 rand a meal. So that's a lot.
It's not that much, to be fair, depending on what's in the meal. It does work out a lot, but like the only difference is you could probably make that same meal for like 3 for the same price, maybe. That's like the only thing. But you know. But I mean, it's quite cut that that's the price, and you have to get like delivery that you have to pay and all that. Then it works out more than 100 rand for sure.
No, but I see you can use like these influencer codes to get free shipping at least.
But you know, bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. There's just something that puts me off about the idea of having food sent to me, and like I don't know how long it's been sitting, and then it's gonna sit by me still while I go through it, like you know, getting through it and stuff. I don't know. It just fucks with my head.
Yeah, I like my food fresh. That's why.
Yeah, dude.
From like meal to meal,
certain things must be, bro.
Like the rice and that, I don't mind just lasting in the fridge or me up when I need it. But if it's obviously more than like a couple days, you know, then I want like fresh rice. And then chicken I can leave in the fridge for a couple days, months as well. But like the sweet potato and that, I actually just get frozen sweet potato. Otherwise it goes muff and no.
Yeah. Some shit needs to be fresh, but else you can't get it down. Like it doesn't. It's fine to eat still, but it's not nice to eat. So that makes it harder to stick to what you're trying to do.
Oh, and I'm eating hake as well. So that I just chuck into the air fryer whenever I have a hake meal. Because I don't want to put fish in the fridge and then have it the next day. Nah.
Fuck no.
Oh, hey, breaking the house.
When we're having a sushi date again, bro.
Yo, bro, I was thinking about that.
I'm going to driving range after this, eh?
Okay, well, if I go to gym after this, we can have sushi after that.
Okay, because Kobe's going to Kobe's got sports. He's got rugby after school until 20 to 1. So I'll be at the driving range from anywhere from after, let's say, 11:15 up until about 12:30. I'll be there.
Oh, it looks like it's breaking to the upside.
Yeah, nice volume coming in. 4 hour looks solid, breaking previous 4 hour highs. You've got this wick to fill on the 4 hour as well, which I was looking at as a potential idea there. Obviously higher time frames always going to give better confluence, but if we zoom into the 30-minute and hourly 15, we can see this area is going to be troublesome. So if we can just clear this area, get a closure above 1955,900, we're looking gold for gold bars.
Jeez, Reese boy, you okay?
Yeah, no, it's my tops. You walk past and you cough.
I was gonna say, we need to get Reese to a hospital. All in ambulance, but not for me. Now, I don't know, I feel like, dude, if you're eating 6 times a day, bro, that's 600 rand, bro. You're spending a lot of money on these meals, eh?
Yo, no, when you put it like that.
Bro.
No, but you're not gonna fucking eat 6 meals a day that you're buying, bro. That would be fucking mad lazy, dude. You can at least make yourself breakfast or fucking dinner or something. Yes.
Yeah, that's true. You don't need to order all your meals. Like, you can do your own breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
if you put it that way, that's fucking expensive, bro.
That's actually rough.
No, bro.
Yeah.
That's my rent getting paid almost fucking 10 days of food.
Yeah, dude,
18K a month on food.
No, man.
Bro, I'd rather walk to the shops.
You could cook for a fucking army, my friend. Yeah, no. No, man. That's mad. And you want to tell me there is probably some people that do that, eh?
100%. $1,000.
No.
I paid for 2 months of meals last night.
Yeah. Let the gains begin. My power just went off.
Oh. I love South Africa.
Piece of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we're waiting for London Open here at this point. Got an hour to go. Even if this 30-minute candle closes above, I'll probably still just wait for London Open. This current candle has no bottom wick, and we would have another 30 minutes till London, so just a bit tricky. Very nice volume though. Also just need to be considerate of our stops right now. I mean, if we were to get into anything, yeah, your stops would be like at least 40 pips. So if we're just waiting for a new candle to form, we might get better options for our stop loss. And you need to be focusing on risk. Focus on your risk first. Limit the downside. The upside will take care of itself. So if you see a setup and you don't have a decent stop loss placement, rather just wait. Wait until you can get that placement for your stop loss. Because that's the most crucial part of your trade, is actually predefining your risk. Understanding where you're going to cut your losses, very, very important. Number one priority. Don't blow your FMC profits, of course not. Thank you, Yama.
Oh man, Yama goddess.
Yep.
You see, bro, on this fit shift that Wayne just sent me, they have this 21-day budget thing. That's 2 meals plus 1 smoothie a day, 6 days a week. And so it's 36 meals, 18 drinks, and there stands 5 other, and it's 3,500 a month for that.
That's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all. It's literally 36 meals and 18 smoothies, basically. I don't know what the 5 other is, but
Oh, Jared, you make me laugh.
I mean, they even yes.
Why do I make you laugh?
Nah, the post you sent me.
Oh.
I thought you sent me a fit food, but you sent me a fit chick.
No, it's fit food, bro. I just sent you one of their posts, bro. Hey.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see it as like a collaboration.
Oh,
yeah, okay, nah, you're forgiven. It was actually there.
I'm forgiven.
Oh, shit. Yo, Machano, what's the time in SA now? Time is 9 minutes past 9. On the 9th of the 9th, 2009.
Just nah, South Africa doesn't make sense anymore. Somebody's in the wrong and they forgive you.
I'm sorry, Jared.
I just don't know where I stand anymore. It's crazy.
It's just a misunderstanding.
Where's SA?
Where is SA?
South of Africa. Actually, like...
To the left.
Yeah, no.
Not north, eh?
Just look at the world ball to the left.
Just keep spinning the world ball.
Just keep going left.
The world ball. Oh.
Where's SA, like province or city?
Oh, where in SA?
Oh, we're in. Yo.
Yo, Oaks fumbled the
we-
bag.
Yeah, we have to forgive you on that one.
Oh, he even said we're in SA, bro.
Yeah,
Where's
no,
SA?
dude,
Yo, hectic.
we
Fuck, we all fumbled the bag. All three of us.
I wouldn't take trading advice from people that sickle to you. No, I'm kidding. So I'm in Gauteng.
I'm in the Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Western
in the
Province.
The Stormish. Hey.
East.
Do you think Russia will start a war with us if they find out what we call Russians war?
What?
What we call
Oh,
Russian.
I think he's talking about the sausage. Russians. Nah. Nah, I think they'll love us, bro.
They'll love us.
What do we call Russians?
We part of Russia. We are
the actual Russian, dude, that you eat.
Yeah, what do we call it?
We call them Russians.
Oh my god.
Big fat sausage.
Glizzy.
Glizzy. Sorry, chat, that came out wrong.
In chat, you're forgiven.
Yo, Jared, this is gonna be a new thing now. Yo, every time I fuck up or do something wrong, I'm just gonna say to whoever I did wrong, you're forgiven.
Are you forgiven, young sir?
Looks like you have to wait for London Open, or you're gonna look for 9:30 if we close above.
I'll wait for London Open. Because what I'm visualizing here for London Open now is if this candle closes bullish, let's say we retrace a little bit. Let me just see if I can get zoom annotate up here. Jared, how do I annotate, bro?
There's a thing if you share your screen, then it's a thing. So go maybe to the meeting thing again and say...
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, this candle doesn't even have a bottom wick, dude. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, let's say we pull back a little bit and get that closure just above 1955. Next 30-minute candle, if we could close something like that, and then at London Open, we're going to get those bars on the break of those highs. Something like that.
Will you make the candle blue?
Is it not blue?
It's purple.
It's chilled. Does the job.
I think that's black.
It's purple by me now, brother.
Oh, now it's purple. Let's see.
Yeah, you must just fast forward. There's another candle. I was just telling Connor because you know my Connor's a little bit
So yeah, something like that. It's just what I'm visualizing. You know, I don't know if it's gonna happen, but if it does, we've got that drawn out so we get an idea of what to look for. If it doesn't happen, that's fine. I mean, we've already had a very strong push up here this morning. We were expecting to see some volume once we broke out of this range, but just a little bit tough with the timing, no closures, stop loss placement is quite tricky. A wise man once said, look for a trade that you cannot find a reason to not enter.
I wonder who said that.
Fricky Fred Friday.
Van Heeren. Like a very wise guy.
Very, very wise.
Trading isn't about looking for entries. It's about waiting for the entry you can't find a reason not to take.
You can't find reason not to take.
Yeah, so I can see some
Yeah.
reason to not take this entry today. Of course, you can always assess and possibly find ways to have entered this, but honestly, you know, there's going to be moves in the market that don't fit your plan, and that's perfectly fine.
Especially coming off such a good day yesterday.
Exactly.
There's no reason to force anything.
It might even lower risk just because of having such a good day yesterday.
And imagine I took this position now, like, I don't know, imagine I just found a way to put in an entry. And, you know, it did spike up quite nicely. And especially after yesterday, I might just get like a bit of a dopamine rush after that. Broke my rules, go break my rules again. Maybe I take another winning trade. And if I continue to do that down the line, it's just going to be a problem. So if I could just stay disciplined, not give up my profits from yesterday, wait for my entries to come to me, I know long term that's going to be the best possible decision.
Speaking about that, like taking those wins and getting that like high of taking dubs the whole time, it's bound to follow by one big losing day normally. Like that's kind of what happens normally. And then everything you got on those 3-4 wins that put you on that high, gone. Everything. Well, that's what happens to me when I have that, like you said, that dopamine rush of being too much on that high from taking wins the whole time. I mean, there's no winning. There should be no winning streak or anything like that. It's just every day I'm taking a double L, next day double L, next day double L. You're just taking dubs. It doesn't matter. It should just be next day, next day, next day.
I think that's why, like Jared says, he doesn't look at his P&L until like the end of the month or whatever. I think that's, you cut that out if you're not looking at your P&L. You're not looking at the last few days. You're not looking at, oh, I'm on a winning streak. You just, every day is a new day, and you do the same shit. No matter what happened yesterday, no matter what happened the last week or month, today's a new day. And if you're putting risk on the table, it's exactly that. It's risk. So you need to understand that every day you put risk on the table, you risk fucking up.
It goes back to what we say about getting rid of your feelings, right? That's what Jared's doing. He's literally you making that emotion not even come into play up until you're ready for it to come into play. So that's like making sure you're not feeling some kind of way the next day when you're taking your trades. And I think that's just everyone's doing something to get rid of certain feelings so that they can be successful in trading. And if you don't do those things to get rid of those negative emotions, you're never going to make it. It's just going to keep eating at you.
Yeah, you got to look for like productive ways to deal with your emotions though. You can't, you know, if you lose a trade, go out now and get hammered. That's not how you deal with your emotions in trading. You look for ways to optimize your system and learn to understand yourself. You know, what are your triggers? How can you minimize those triggers? So if looking at your P&L is something that triggers you to make you feel some sort of way, you know, don't worry about yesterday, just forget it. Come back and focus on today being a new day, new opportunities.
The thing is that, just give me a second, sorry, I'm just getting a phone call.
I know, like, for myself, something that really did resonate with me from Raja was him saying the 1 or 2 trades a day. And I say that on stream all the time as well. I didn't steal it from him, I'm saying I got it from him. And it's just super powerful. Because if you're taking 1 or 2 trades a day, you avoid overtrading. If you have that simple rule for yourself that you can stick to, you avoid overtrading. And with overtrading comes a whole lot of issues, because you start to make emotional decisions. You get sucked into it, and you get on this high. So you start to make emotional decisions in your trading. You start to over risk. You start to revenge trade. Those things all come with overtrading. So if there's one rule you can stick to cut out over trading, that's going to make a huge difference in your trading.
Also, the thing is, when it comes to not looking at P&L or not taking emotional decisions, it could also be an inverse thing. So, for instance, when you're trading, you know, a little bit amount of money in the beginning, you think it's not worth your time. You think you're too good to take the $5 wins, the $10 wins, but you just need to separate yourself completely from that. And you'll see over time you're chipping away and you're doing better. Because the point I'm at now is I get like, when I trade on my personal accounts, I get like, I don't want to say flustered, but I don't like seeing how much money goes down the drain. Because when you take a loss of like, you know, $200-300, it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's 5,000 Rand. You know what I'm saying? So you're like, oh, you know, $5,000 is a lot of money to anybody. I mean, it's not something you just smoke away, especially living in like South Africa. And then, you know, when you take $1,000 loss, for example, there's almost 20,000 Rand gone. So you just need to walk away from that. And obviously the inverse, when you make 20,000 Rand in 45 minutes, you're like, whoa, you know, I'm the best trader ever. But you just need to walk away from it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You shouldn't look at that stuff.
Yeah, that's true. Like, I feel like as I've grown, I feel like as we all grow, we're understanding that emotions are one of the most important things in trading. And your psychology, when we're working on it. Like yesterday, I feel nothing. I feel numb about FOMC. I felt like a god after some of the FOMC trades. I really did. I felt on top of the world. And I've gone on to make some silly mistakes after some of the trades on FOMC in the past. But after yesterday, I feel nothing. Today's a new day.
That's why I say, like, I don't care that I'm not upset about missing the trade yesterday for FOMC. I'm upset that I fell asleep, because I know if I was awake, I would have definitely been involved in that trade. So, but it is what it is. That's why I don't mind the trade. The trade is what it is. But me falling asleep upsets me. That's the only thing.
Yeah, the market's still moving today. There's still opportunities today and tomorrow. Next week.
But that's the thing. The market aren't gonna wait for fucking nobody. So, if you're not there, you know, then that's what I'm saying. I'm just upset about falling asleep, not missing the trade.
Well, look at this. Gold retracing, leaving us a wick to fill. Of course, we could get the wick fill on the next 30. I've already drawn out what I would like to see here. Just a small little doji candle on the next 30, and then London open, we see the volume come in. That would be nice. If not, I may just miss this trade, and that's fine.
Kai, who? I'm not sure his name. We haven't taken anything today yet.
The highlights of today is I apologize to Connor for being in the right.
Jared.
Last time I mentioned it, I swear.
Better not do that again, okay?
Yeah, I promise. Yeah.
Psychology gems and banter. Ashley Garlic, I think you're overthinking it. Really, I do.
That has probably happened, Ashley, but I don't think that's something you can look at happening throughout the days. It's probably, probably has happened, and that's probably what you noticed, but you can't look at it from that point. Well, you can, but
yeah, you can.
Actually, is also, if you go and have a look at it, is it something that's constantly happened, or is it something that you've seen once and you constantly want it? You know, you just like how it does it. So you're trying to catch those sells before anybody else. And then you're constantly trying to repeat it. Because
if quotes.
if quotes. Yeah. Because personally, I can't tell you that happens every day.
Like I said. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, actually, bro. If you notice it, you can do it. But yeah.
I just said I think you're overthinking it because it just sounds a little bit too complicated straight off the bat. I think you should just focus on price action, not try to get too fancy. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? What is the trend? How are these candles forming? What do the ranges to the left look like?
Higher time frame buyers.
Higher time frame.
Sentiment.
Yeah.
Connor, do you know your blues are different, or do they look the same to you? Hey?
Yeah, no, I can't tell the difference.
There's like quite a big difference.
Is that
the candle
better?
that you drew, the candle you drew, no, not yet. Okay. Yeah, that's closer.
There.
It's not the same, but it's close. Yeah, it's closer to the blue, but it's not the same. No, darker. More.
That looks too dark.
No, it's still not the same. Oh, wait, I can't see. Wait, maybe my stream still needs to catch up.
That's
No,
too
but remember, your blue is something Chad gave you, bro.
Oh
It's
yeah,
like
it actually was.
blue.
Where's Chad when you need him?
It's probably still
I
upset.
think Chad has texted us.
I'm not even sure what happened, bro. I just read the chat and that kind of ticked me. But anyway, that blue, yeah, that one.
Whoa, what happened with Chad? I didn't even see the chat.
I'll explain to you after stream.
Yeah, I'd rather after stream, Connor.
Yeah.
You didn't see?
Mm-mm.
Okay, no, last one after chat. Last one after.
Ek weet waarvan jy praat, maar daar was ietsie anders, hè? Ek sal later verduidelik.
Ja, ek weet nie wat iets anders is nie, maar ek weet dat dit gebeur. Dis die ding.
Ja.
Maar toe ek lees wat daar staan, dit was die probleem.
Ja nee, ek sal verduidelik, hè. Is baie ongekrap.
Ja, anyway.
We speaking Morse code here,
Ek kan wait, bro, wait.
Ek gaan eet ontbyt.
You have that one, Jared.
Yeah, okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. He's reading Braille from the YouTube chat, and then he's typing it into Morse code.
Oh, goodness me.
Oh, shit. I love how we can always do that. You know, we always do this, bro. From deep psychological like chats to just
yo, we so like in and out of serious convos so quickly.
I think that's like the beauty of it, bro. Like that just shows that we are there. When we need to focus up, we can focus 100%, dude.
And the results speak for themselves.
We can't be like that the whole time, bro. You're gonna burn out, my friend. Like you're just gonna burn yourself out. So
please exit that Google Sheets and go back into it, because I did make a change to it.
Please
just reload it, yeah. No.
Okay, well,
this is the live stream one, eh?
Is that the live stream one? Maybe change that.
Yo, Monster Money went off in January. Three L's.
In January?
No, man, Jared.
What?
Oh, I think that was maybe for the week. No, I don't know.
What do you mean?
The win rate for Jan.
The win rate for Jan is currently 16. Oh, I did make a mistake. Sorry, it's 9. My apologies. I've got it written down right here. I'll change it quickly.
Alright, Jack. Yes.
Coming next for training. 16.9. I'm changing it quickly.
Okay.
Cool. Apologies, yo. Thanks for saying.
Bro, you're gonna look at your phone, like, how the fuck is gold up there now like that? And I was like, oh, it's a drawing candle. Yo, that thing played with me.
Yeah, Nico was about to get into the liquidity cells.
He was about to give liquidity to the institutions there.
I was about to risk 4.9%, dude, let me tell you.
Yo,
Has given,
Nico, you typical retail trader.
Jeez, the banks love you, Nico. Yeah.
You give him so much liquidity.
Yeah.
The day must come, Connor, that we all, us and all the members and everyone at the same time must press sell or buy on something and
Yo,
see if we influence.
have you watched that? It was like
That Bitcoin thing.
Yeah, the Bitcoin thing.
But that crash off on
in
Bitcoin.
China, where they press the button and it dumps.
Yeah, I don't know. They pulled out and then it dumps, I think, or something.
No, boys are gonna do that.
I read somewhere that 90% of retail traders lose money, so I'll be buying on that day, so.
Jared's gonna be the one guy who makes money.
Yeah.
Everyone's felt Jared.
The 1%.
No, but honestly, how much do you think can you influence the market like that? I mean, I'm sure that's where volatility comes from. Everyone's like getting in the market. But do you think it would be possible if everyone at the same time did press a buy or sell?
I think we would need thousands of people in here and everyone trading like 100 lots.
Nah, I don't even think it'd make a pip difference, dude.
You're right, you don't even think it would influence it. You just think the market would just do the same thing.
I think you'd need to be moving like a good few billion to even get a couple pips.
I just think you would need quite a fuck ton of. We must do it on USD.
Yeah, please, bro.
Yeah, no, fucking. What are we doing? Buying it? Yes, let's buy it and we push it up. Then we pull out all our dollars, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Influence the market.
Then when we pull out our dollars, we're gonna make it crash again.
I saw a TikTok yesterday. This oak is saying how the reason he doesn't understand Forex, right, is because you put in your Japanese yen, you put in your US dollar. Now, how are you meant to get it back to ZAR? And I was like, oh goodness. Oh goodness, this guy doesn't understand what trading is.
It will cause load shedding before a market crash.
Hey, Traders Room shared a post of us this morning.
Yeah, I saw that.
What did they share?
The YouTube link. Who here is from Traders Room?
Where is that?
Welcome to the stream, everyone. If you're new here today, welcome, welcome. Very nice to have you on.
Con.
Yeah.
Are we waiting for that 30-minute closure?
Yes, sir. London Open.
London Open.
Currently, this is exactly what I want to see.
Yeah.
Our stops are looking heat. If we could just close like that. You know, right before London Open, sometimes we do see the volume just dip off for an instant. So if we could just hover around here, 30-minute candles looking solid.
Jeez, it sounds like I'm finally getting my fridge at 10.
For real this time.
Jeez, dude, if it doesn't, I'm jumping off my balcony.
1 minute looks solid to actually move up right from here. See this 30-minute on the setup, we could, this is the setup I would take. The issue is stops still, yeah. And then the timing, London Open in 24 minutes. I'd rather just wait. And then if this is our previous candle now, we have that as a stop loss. So we've got a very logical stop loss here. If we could pull down even lower and still come back and close above 1955, 900, that'll be solid. Daily FVG, I don't know what that is.
What's there? Hit me a blank there, so.
I'll be back now. Jared, do you want to maybe play a game of chess?
Okay, I'm down. I could hand out some else.
If you want to invite me so long, I'm just gonna be back in 1 minute.
Do you use Roger Bank's strategy? No, he uses ours. He was watching our videos last night on stream. Yeah, if you want to add me on chess.com, my username is FF Trades, all lowercase, and then you can send me a friend request and we can play sometime. But no, we don't really use Roger Bank's strategy. We have obviously taken a little bit here and there from him, but no, we don't really use it to the T. We accept.
I'll join now, Jared.
I've got this new strategy I've been working.
Very nice bottom wick on this candle if we can come back up and close above this level. Something like that.
But we will tell everybody in chat exactly where we get in our buy stop. Reason for our sells, our stop loss. I mean, reason for our stop loss and so on. And
we're buying at 55 or waiting. I'm waiting for London open, and then when I take trades, I do take them on the screen, so you'll see exactly what I'll be taking and what I'm looking for in terms of entries.
the crest is at the bottom right there.
I hit a blank there for a second. Okay, we've got 19 minutes to London Open, and we've got 20 minutes of time to play. So let's see.
You can't say
Fuck. Jared, your ratings dropped a little bit.
Oh, dude, yeah. I've been panic chasing it.
The queen!
Fuck. The rook G6! I always need a warm-up game, man. Fuck, you know. That's not good. I feel like resigning and starting again. That exact move that you did to me now, I don't know why, but I always fall for it. Yeah. Fuck, it's bad.
Looking very nice for London Open in about 16 minutes. What were you hoping for?
I was hoping you were going to capture with the rook, and then I was going to take your queen as well. No, dude, chess is a very nice game. It's so frustrating, bro. You can play the worst game of your life and the best game of your life. Literally moves apart, dude. I mean, games apart.
Yeah, that's true.
And also, it shows that we are very intelligent.
Building our IQ.
Exactly.
Been grinding chess since December. Well done.
I hate this game so much, dude. Got to load stockfish this morning, that's why.
Must be.
Yeah. Okay, rematch. Quick.
Okay, quick one.
Nah, braving.
What now?
No, I was whispering www.stockfish.com.
I hate these situations where you've got the queen and bishop out. I know there's such a fast checkmate coming, and I'm not stupid, but I'm just like I
It's
get.
tricky, eh? Yeah.
Because I know the other day
It's
you caught me
definitely
with something, and I was like, what?
Yeah. There are some that, dude, it's just like, when you line it up perfectly and the oak doesn't see, bro, and then they don't block, and then you have them. It's the best feeling in the world, dude. And then you just need to think, dude. Like, what is the best possible move? What would Mittens play in this situation?
Oh, Mittens.
What would Mittens do? Dude, Mittens beat Nelson with one pawn, dude. And he had a full board.
Nelson the bot.
Yeah.
That's hectic. One pawn.
Dude.
You joke.
I promise you, bro. And then he went and made it a queen. Well, Mittens went and made it a queen, and then absolutely destroyed him, dude. Oh, very good move, sir. Who's Nokia 3310 is ringing it?
Shut up.
Con, that was a brilliant move, dude.
I actually think that might be like the top engine move, because that's not something I would normally do. I just saw it. I needed a way because I know my rook is trapped.
Because there's no way I can move right now without you being able to capture. Because of your
Oh yeah, that's
bishops.
true. Your queen is fucked, bud. And you're just gonna help me develop my knights if you trade, yeah. Take my rook.
And then you capture with your... No. Oh, goodness. It's gonna be tough.
Take his queen, Jack. Always.
Dude, I'm trying.
What's up,
I'm
Justin?
trying to confiscate Connor's pieces.
Yo.
Oh shit, man.
What?
That call
What you
was...
don't like about this move.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
The call was from my insurance. Probably trying to sell me something.
Hi sir, we've noticed that you've been driving at 240 kilometers an hour. Is there a reason for this? No, I'm just raving.
I kind of understand why you did that, but you know you just gave away your knot.
Yeah.
Are you trying to trick me or something?
I can't tell you, sir. Yeah. You must keep your eyes on that bishop there. Because it's about to go down in the DMs.
In the DMs?
I'm gonna eat this horse, Connor.
Oh, fuck.
Bitch, I told you to keep your eye on the bishop.
I thought you meant my bishop. Yo, we are horrible, bro.
Dude, we terrible at chess, eh?
Bars
Did we
mean
need
long? Yes.
Dude, we are like the worst chess players of all time, I'm telling you. Now I'm just gonna start picking him apart with leg kicks.
I'll take that. Yo, no. Very bad position now. Very, very bad.
Oh, is nog eens gestampen.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tough one, eh?
Very tough.
I wonder if you could pay Gotham Chess to have a look at your games, eh?
No, I don't think you have to pay him.
You don't think so?
No.
Just send some 3 to him, man.
There was that game, I think it was yesterday, where I destroyed you that I wanted to send. And then the game afterwards, where you got that checkmate that is so quick.
Oh, yeah. I want to send him that one game where I got in your corner there, and then I was just eating you from the inside.
No, that'd be such a waste of time. Ew. That is ridiculous.
Yo, dude. Man would twice, eh? Man would be like, what the hell are you doing?
Yo, actually, you had hung your rook, and I...
Yeah, I know. I was grateful you didn't see it.
See, I was looking for cells due to all the weak areas, so looking like...
You're lucky. You see the people saying like trade the night, do this, do that. They're the ones that scream buys or sells. Nah, I'm raving, guys. Con, you got me in a bit of a predicament here.
I'm fighting back, dude. I'm not going down without a fight.
Once I've got your rook, it's going down soon.
Oh, I don't know, bro. I'm just stuck.
Denstra is pretty much my street name is Magnus, so I mean it is quite a difficult one, you know what I mean? I'm raving.
Yeah, nah, listen. It's 1.5 minutes here. I'm gonna resign, Jared.
No, dude, let me get checkmate.
No, this is childish.
Dude. Oh yeah, I'm getting a call from that worm, so you're gonna resign.
Yeah, no, you can resign.
Draw. Hallo worm, we gaan het. Sê jy? Okay, ek's nou daar worm.
What a good sport.
I say thank you.
Was FFF trades a good sport? Yes.
Oh yeah, I'll be back in a second, yeah?
Yeah, cool.
Cool. If I do miss a trade, will you just remove send it as a signal, right?
Yeah.
If
Okay,
I don't know
so
signals, there's a link that I've put in the chat. But yeah, 100% I'll chat you now.
thanks, Jared.
Thanks, bro.
To the guy looking for sells on gold, just understand that you need to be taking trades in the direction that price is moving, not against the direction. So we are extremely bullish. We made new highs yesterday with FOMC. We've created a new high now in this session. I'm not saying that we can't come down, but you got to play the probabilities, and right now the market's moving up. As a retail trader, you're better off catching the wave and just riding the wave, rather than trying to get in first and try and outsmart everyone else. At the end of the day, you know, I talk about this a lot. You're a retail trader. You're never going to change that. So you need to just understand that there's much bigger players here. There's people with way more money than you will ever dream of, moving the price of these assets. So we simply just need to hop on the wave, take our little piece of the pie, and be grateful. Trying to catch the top is almost greedy. You know, if we could just catch a little bit of a move up in line with the way the market's moving right now, you know, we can then walk away and be grateful for that. But to try and be selling from here, I think is just actually greedy. The market right now is not looking like it's moving down. We want to be taking trades in line with the momentum and the overall market direction. Roger Bank's strategy? Well, price action. Okay, so let's have a look here. Hourly did close bullish above these previous body highs with a wick to fill. 15 minutes actually closed nice bullish doji there, breaking that current 15-minute high. We could drive up, but I prefer the look of breaks above the previous 30-minute highs, stops below previous 30-minute lows. 26 pip stops. You've got about 20 pips to fill the wick there, and about 40 pips to fill the range up to 1961. So I'm going to have bar stops here on the break of previous 30-minute highs. At 1957, 650. Or 600, let's say. 1957, 600 bar stops. Stops, like I say, are about 28 pips. 28, 29 pips.
Signal has been sent from my part here.
Did you send it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Jared.
Buy stop 1957.6. Stop loss 1954.75.
Awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna go profit now as well if we go buy now.
Jared, you're a knob.
Correct. Yeah.
A proper fucking knob.
My narrants.
Bro, you just dress Jared. You just dress Jared neatly and leave him at home, bro. That's what you do.
Dress me neatly. Okay, he's here. Chat to you guys now.
Okay, cool.
He's actually getting his fridge.
It's about time.
Yeah.
Would obviously be ideal to be going break even as we move into these highs here. Should have actually made the title of this video 100k funded.
Wow.
Because this is the first day I'm trading the funded on the
stream.
on the stream.
Yeah, I feel. You got 50 likes, that's quite nice already.
Okay, so as we break that high, I'll be getting into this position here. And I'm in. Stops below the previous 30 minutes at 1954, 750.
What's your break even gonna be, so?
1959, 500. Basically the wick full.
Oh, okay.
I'll be pretty happy if we can move into the next level of resistance here, 1961, 450. May just look at runners up to 1970.
Yeah, I think if we break those odds, potential runners are looking very nice. Some nice runners, actually, eh?
Very nice.
What are you using here, bro?
4 lots.
Okay. Can't see. Sorry.
This is my Forex funds. Phase 1. Decided to do a phase 1 for the stream. Since we've started the memberships now, and I do have some educational stuff for the funded route, you know, I thought to show you guys that, okay, at least I can show you in front of your eyes that passing these challenges is possible. If you can just do it the right way, take it slowly.
Be confident in your setup or your trading strategy.
Yeah, trust the process, really.
Connor?
Mm-hmm.
If we get to break even before 10:30, I'll probably be on my way to the driving range. Are you going to gym and then thinking what time you finish, then we maybe do sushi, or?
I actually want to eat after stream. I want to eat one more time before gym.
So then we're gonna leave it, eh? Or... Okay, cool.
I think if we plan better, we must do next week Monday after legs.
Okay, sure. What? When are you gonna gym legs though?
Monday.
Like what time is what I mean?
We can discuss that, and we can see what works for us both.
Monday Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 o'clock, I'll pick up Kobe. Tuesday and Thursday, I pick him up 20 to 1. So
We can do a night session on Monday.
okay, we can do maybe instead of doing. What time does New York end?
It's quite late, eh? Like we've been ending the Zoom calls around
5.
5. Yeah.
Yeah. So they close at 8. That place.
Okay. We'll make a plan.
Okay,
Sheesh,
cool.
all the members are in here in the Zoom call. What's up,
Yeah,
gents? I didn't even know you were here.
How's it, man?
Justin, Fabio, Reeves. Wayne, I
I've
think
recently joined.
it's normal.
So
Yeah.
very-
How's it?
Oh, is it?
Justina. Johnny Punon.
So I need to go somewhere. Is it smart to go break even and just fucking leave
No.
it?
No, we're too close.
Yeah, it's way
Or
too
should I
close.
wait a bit?
Just
If
wait for a new high on this current 15, I think. Then maybe you can go break even if you really need to.
yeah, the
No fun.
advice I'd give you is you probably won't like, and I don't think anyone would like. But if you need to be somewhere urgently, and you
Close
can't
out.
manage your trade, maybe just close out. Unless you.
I'm gonna give it a bit of time, but
Yeah. Unless you're happy with the stops and you are happy with your risk.
yeah, I'm missing 1% on the dot.
And just check there, your BE point, you've got 159,500. Just make it 195,900.
Oh, my bad.
The boys, I finally got a free J.
I thought you were on GJ. Shit, guys, I have a bar on GJ.
Yes. You're gonna see me buy 10,000 rand worth of groceries today. Not actually, but yeah, free.
Big flex.
Jeez. I'm a hungry oak. Which prop firm are you trading? My Forex funds. Do you know if you answered those questions?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Does the 4-hour having no bottom wick affect this trade? To be honest, I do generally look at that kind of thing. It is something to take note of. My 4-hour does have a bottom wick, which I'm happy with. Previous hourly, no bottom wick. But with volume, just with the way we're looking here, I think that we're looking pretty good here.
15 close coming up this strong as well. I mean, shit, there's a lot ticking the boxes now.
It would really make sense with volume that we have a very high probability of coming to retest these highs. Created a high, created support, retesting this previous level. We've got volume. We should at least get to break even. Like 90% chance. 90% win rate.
I like it.
Jokes.
Could you take a nap quickly, bro? We need some tips. You and Reese need to have some shut again.
Yes.
15, bringing in the volume. 5-minute close bearish.
Yeah, Nick.
Like I was saying, I'll sleep, bro. You just gotta share the profits then.
Done deal, dude. I'll send you your cuts.
Connor, 5-minute has no bottom wick. Previous 5-minute close bearish.
Yeah, I'll monitor that.
I'll close off full. I must go, gents. Shot for that advice.
Okay, no worries.
Okay,
Just Fabio,
sure,
check
boys.
you.
Check you later.
Just.
Yeah, at this point, if we do break previous 5-minute lows, we might want to manage risk. Previous 5, no bottom wick though.
Previous 5, my 5 has a previous 5 has a bottom. This current one doesn't have a
Yeah,
bottom.
my broker as well. Yeah, on TradingView, previous 5 has no bottom wick.
On where would you start to manage?
In terms of closing out,
Yeah.
if we break previous 5-minute lows, probably
We've got to
close
break
out
previous
half.
12 minutes, maybe.
1957, could I say?
Yeah, yeah, solid.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what we want there.
Someone asked about TP, so targets here, obviously our break-even point, these previous highs, may even secure partials at those highs right there for about 20 pips. But looking at 1961, 400 as a target here, and then runner targets up at 1970. There we go, boys. Breaking previous 15-minute highs. Your liquidity? No, your liquidity. Shut up.
Your grammars.
Yeah, you are my liquidity. So thank you. Fucking horrible English. Okay, chat, we are at our break-even point here. Fuck.
I don't know who said what in chat, but you just got like fucking hit with a slap in the face.
Okay, chat, I'm going to close out half here as well. Not bad. About 18 pips secured there. And got runners here. To 1970.
We hit 1970 with my runner. Phase 1 will pass.
Yo, look at the W's. Chat. I do want to see if we break these highs and get a nice push here. Otherwise, I might look to secure a bit more of my position. Very nice, strong 5-minute candle closure there, but hovering around these highs.
I really hope what Fabio needed to do was worth it, because this would have been his.
Oh,
could have been like
goodness.
1+ on his phase 2.
Whoa, Justin! Justin, are you in the Zoom?
Hi.
Yeah, he is.
Congrats, bro.
Hey. Yes, thank you.
Done.
What
For the
happened?
help.
Phase 2
Phase
done.
1 done.
Yay.
Yeah, the F4C paid off big. Now we just needed 10 pips. I had a 10 pip TP. TP got smashed.
Nice,
That
bro.
initial spike.
You got slipped too, eh? Probably got slipped.
Yes, it got slipped as well.
Yeah.
Congrats,
more,
bro.
More than
Cherry on
oh,
the
yeah.
top. Yeah,
Phase
thank
2,
you
eh?
so much.
Just remember,
Take it easy now.
Yeah.
You don't need to pass phase 6.
Yes.
Remember.
60
Okay, so
days.
maybe
I
maybe
think I'll
next
only
week.
log in next week.
Yeah, next week. You have no
Yeah.
rush now. Well done.
Good
Nice.
idea.
Nice. And he joined the membership last night, and that's actually just shows how that paid off.
One day in the memberships passes phase 1 on his challenge. Hey, no. Nah, Justin, I know you've been putting in work, bro. Well done. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah. It's time to clock out. I'll be back next week then.
Enjoy your weekend.
See you soon. Move on.
Cheers, bro.
That's fine.
Yeah, looks like we might come down to break even here.
Yeah. That bottom week's coming in now.
Someone asks, is it legit? Is trading money? What? Sorry. Hey bro, is it legit that people claim to have made wealth from trading? Roger Banks says he has made 7 million. Please enlighten me, I've only lost money. Yes, it is possible. But it's a skill, and it takes time to develop a skill. So it's not going to happen overnight. People lose money for many years before becoming profitable. So you just have to be realistic with your expectations. Understand that the money you could make from trading is just about infinite, but you're not going to get it today, tomorrow, or this month. Give it 10 years. If you keep at it, you'll see for yourself. Broaden your time horizon.
I break even because I break even at 70 because I've got slipped by 1 pip.
Yeah, I hit break even as well.
Yeah. The spread opened up, bro. That's why when I pushed down that little piece, the spread went up to 25, so 2.5 pips. And then that's when I got it out.
Trading
Anyway, solid trade.
phase 1 going nicely.
Me?
Eh?
You.
No, I was just saying now, my phase 1.
How much is it now?
2 and just about 2.5%.
No way. According to me, that might be possible, but to pull that off, you need a lot of experience in the market and knowledge, a working strategy, and good risk management and patience as well.
Well, it's possible. If you doubt trading, then you wouldn't be on a trading stream. You know that it's possible. You just doubt because from your experience, you've had a very hard time. Like you say, you've been losing, and you've let doubt creep into your mind. So I don't know why I need to remind you, but yes, trading, you can make money trading, and you can make a shitload of money trading. But it takes absolute discipline, sickening discipline, and like I say, it's a skill. It takes time to develop.
Yo, Oaks, I was gonna twice, yeah.
Why?
I've been answering these questions like I usually would, and then every time you guys have cut me off, and I'm just like, okay, chill. And it happened again and again and again and again. I'm like, yo, dude, I'm really getting annoyed now.
I must be muted.
Then I've been muted for the last like 5-10 minutes, dude. I'm like, yo, what the hell, dude? Because I even asked you, I'm like, something about the trade, and then you didn't answer, and I was like, yo, okay.
Sorry, Jared. You were muted.
Stress. Yeah. I need to apologize this time. Do you use magic keys, Connor or Triple F? Yes, I use magic keys.
I don't. I have them, but I really don't like using MetaTrader on the desktop. I really don't like it. So I've got it up here for the funded account, just so that we can document this. But yeah.
Also, Jared doesn't use magic keys on the funded account because he trades as you would be trading if you did not have magic keys on the funded. He only uses it on his live.
Mm.
And then Konayaza, I gave myself 3 years to become profitable. Looking at the charts 8 hours a day. 5 years later, not there yet. Lol.
Because you looked at the charts 8 hours a day.
Yeah, I was about
gonna
to say
the
literally
same
because
thing.
you have to chart 8 hours a day. Not the way.
Okay,
London or New Zealand or Asian that works for you.
have a look at
Blue
this. We've taken 2 trades this week. It's Thursday. There's no guarantee that I'll take even another trade for the rest of the week. And we've had a brilliant week. If we did this next week and for the rest of Feb, we'd have an amazing month. 2 trades for the week. But you want to be looking at the chart 8 hours a day. It's not going to work. You need to limit your time on the charts.
Thanks. What is your strategy, if you don't mind sharing, bro? Is it similar to Raja or Don?
Yeah, very similar.
Price action, support resistance.
Obviously, I see certain things slightly different. We all have our own little tweaks. But yes, of course, you may have probably picked up that I'm trading quite similar to Raja. I watched Raja's live streams and I learned a lot from that, and that's why I've decided to do live streams myself, because I also believe that this is helping my trading a lot. I only learned this afterwards, but doing the streams, being here every day, building that consistency in front of people, holding me accountable, makes a huge difference. And now it's just like a positive feedback loop. The better I get, the more value I'm able to provide for you. And I can see a lot of guys here are here every day and are taking a lot of value away. But yes, trade very similar to Raja. Not obviously, like I say, we have our own different ways of seeing the market.
Wait, I'm out of here.
Cheers, Reese. Boy, we'll see you.
Cheers, Reese.
Yeah, for sure. Enjoy your day.
Cheers. Alright, I guess that will be us, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's that. Oh, Jared, did you see the signal, yeah?
Yes, I'm gonna put it in the spreadsheet now and just update it.
I just have an issue with the colors, dude. I don't even know how you.
I'll show you how I do that now.
Okay, cool, yeah.
Connor, will the strategy of price action remain applicable even 10 years from today? Just wanting to know so that I can be confident enough to use it day in and day out. So please, your insight would be good. Yes.
Yes, it will.
Price action is basically you adapting to the market. So you're looking what's happening in the market currently, not in the past and stuff like that. So it will always be able to.
Yeah, and
as long as
if you're here every day, you're adapting to whatever changes are happening, and those changes are pretty much only in the volume and the volatility. So you'll be going through the different market cycles, adapting to the volume and volatility for every current moment. You know, you'll become one with the market. If you're here every day, day in and day out, it's going to work because you'll be adapting as the market adapts.
So, but also as long as there's a difference in price, so price moves, there will always be price action. That's what we trade.
Just before we end the stream, come on, let's get those likes up, man. We already got 60. Let's just get it pushed for a little bit more.
Yeah, we just came back to break even here, and looks like we are pushing back up. So
yeah,
you know, these things happen, but profitable day. Another day of just chipping away.
Profitable week.
Profitable week.
Yeah. Friday might be a
Solid.
half rest day, so
And we got news
Solid,
later
eh?
on as well, so we'll have the Zoom call for the Bank of England news. That should bring us some nice movement as well.
yeah. If anyone's still in this, just be careful because there's no bottom wick, I think, on the 15, the previous 15. So you might just come create that bottom wick again. Just be careful. I got slipped on my entry. What was our entry? 55, eh?
No, isn't it? It was 19576.
76. Oh, okay. No. Yeah, that's true. I thought I got slipped again.
1957.6.
Okay, chat, that's going to be us for London session. Thank you so much for joining today. Yeah, let's not end on a bad note there, Smoking Falcon. Really, I don't want to talk about RCT now. Okay, just chat. Thank you so much.
Just remind chat that there is a Zoom call for New York, but it's only for members that are joined. And then you can check it on the Instagram on Monster Money Trading.
Yes,
There's a link
chat.
for it if you guys want it.
Yeah, there's the link right there, and you guys can just check it out. That's for the members. And then, yeah, we'll see the members in Zoom later on for New York.
Alright, check you, gents. Cheers.